In the previous week, you were introduced to the concept of linear programming, how to construct a linear program, and how to solve a linear program by using the graphical method. If you recall, the graphical method can be used only to solve problems with two choice variables. In this video, we will take into consideration a problem from the economy, try to construct a linear program and solve the program. If you find any difficulty in drawing the graphs of inequalities, please revisit week 8 and go through the videos and e-text again. Tata Hitachi Construction Machinery is an Indian-based joint venture between Tata Motors and Hitachi Construction Machinery of Japan. It produces a wide range of products such as excavators, excavator loaders, dump trucks, mechanical cranes, hydraulic cranes, and many more. Consider two products, dump truck and excavator. Producing dumpers and excavators is not an easy job. There are several stages of production such as assembling, installation, melting, and painting. Let us consider an example. The numbers used are random and may differ in real life. Suppose the production of a dump truck takes 6 hours for assembling, 3 hours for melting, and 1 hour for installation. The production of an excavator takes 2 hours for assembling, 5 hours for melting, and 4 hours for installation. The plant has 36 hours of assembly time available, 30 hours of melting time, and 20 hours of installation time. The rates of profit per unit of dump truck and excavator are Rs 10,000 and Rs 8,000 respectively. Now the question is, how many dumpers and excavators should be produced so that profit is maximized? Can you construct a table for organizing the available information? Pause the video and try to construct a table. Did you get a table like this? This is great. Now we can use the technique of linear programming to find the level of output that will maximize the profit. Suppose we represent the output of dumper by x1 and that of excavator by x2. We may construct an LP model of this form. Pi is the profit and we have three constraints with the maximum operating time of machines in the three stages of production. We can use the graphical analysis for solving the problem. We first convert the inequalities to equations and draw the graphs of the constraints and then identify the feasible region. Could you identify the feasible region? You must have got that right. From the feasible region, we identify the basic feasible solutions. The coordinates 0, 5, 6, 0 are two of the basic feasible solutions. In order to find the coordinates of the other two basic feasible solutions, we solve the two equations intersecting at point A and B. Can you find the coordinates of the other two basic feasible solutions? Try it. Now, in order to obtain the optimum solution, we transform the objective function and draw the graph of the objective function to see at which basic feasible solution it is tangent. The dotted lines give the graphs of the objective function, and we can see that it is tangent at point B. Could you find the coordinates of B? Let us try to find. If you observe carefully, point B is the intersecting point of two equations. Therefore, solving the two equations gives x1 equal to 5 and x2 equal to 3. This gives us the solution to the problem. Tata Steel should produce 5 dumpers and 3 excavators to maximize its profit. Can you calculate the maximum profit? Since the profit is in thousands of rupees, the maximum profit will be rupees 74,000.